You're in the way. Like this.
The other one.
Alright, see the other one. Also American Standard. Flush it.
Loud.
That's loud. Hey.
Yeah, this one.
See a potty? Hey. Go ahead, flush it.
I'm not gonna beat.
Baby, do it at the same time? Alright, you do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. American Standard. Alright, see the women's.
See, I will play in the movies.
Yeah, in the women's. Where are the men's? You ran in the men's room. See the women's. Mm-hmm. American Standard. Let's see the other one. Come on, bud. Let's see it. This one's dark. Come in here. No, this one. Alright, flush at the same time. 1, 2, 3, flush. American Standard. You gonna wash your hands? Or flush one more time? Alright. American Standard. Alright, you, come on. Let's wash our hands. Come here. Oh, Kohler. Oh, this is American Standard. This is Kohler. Look, this sink is manual. Come here. And you can stand on this. I'll stand on this to wash. No, you gotta have it right here to reach. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it's American Standard sink. Is that a good temperature? Other hand. Rinse. Mommy only has one hand, then you gotta help me out. Alright, turn off. And here's the fish house. Now let's go see the aquarium. See the fishies? Now that we peed, you can see the fishies. Get in your stroller. A smoke detector? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is a smoke detector. A blink, that's cool. It blink green?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's see, stingrays. Stingray Bay. You want to see stingrays first or the aquarium first?
Stingrays.
Alright, here we go. Stingrays. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stingray feeding. I gotta walk. We gotta walk to see the stingrays. No strollers. See the stingrays? Okay, come here. Walk.
Okay, so keep right here waiting. Okay.
Alright, wash your hands first, bud. wash your hands first. Oh, that's a cool sink. Do you see that sink? It looks like a shell. Yeah. Oh, it's automatic. Rinse your arms. Rinse your hands. Here goes. Come here. In the seashell sink. Rinse the arms. Other arm. Oh, it's cold water, huh? That's it. All right, let's see. You gonna touch them? Stainless steel automatic sink. That one's really cool though. All right, let's see. Come here, stingrays right here. There they are. There they are. Here. No? You don't want to touch them? Just wanted to see them? Here, let's see. Let's see if you can see them through here. Watch out for the water. Oh, there's one. Touch him right here.
No.
Here it goes. Oh, see him? Touch him right here. Oh, slimy. Touch him again. They're hungry. Come here. All right, wash your hands now. Wash your hands. We'll go see the aquarium. They're slimy, huh? All right, back at the stroller. Go see the aquarium real quick. No, we'll stop our video. Here goes, get in. Maybe touch the stingrays. You did a good job. Yeah, you did a good job touching the stingrays. Here we go. At 2 o'clock they're going to feed the stingrays, but I don't know if you were that into that. That's 20 minutes from now. Alright, let's see. More aquatic ventures inside. Thank you. Alright. Ah, look how cool. See the fish? Do you see them? They're big. They're big fish. I see this little one. It's a seahorse in there. He's hiding back there. Oh, you can touch shells in there. You gotta. Here, let's look real quick and then we'll let you touch. Without the video, because it makes it difficult. Oh, little tiny fish. Oh, look at this, is cool. You can get in there. You can get in there. It's curved. You wanna get in there? Okay, let's set the video there.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. Isn't it? You're not really underwater. You just sit in there. See? Look, did you see the fish? There's some. They're right there. You touch them? It's cool, huh? Alright. Those are sea anemone.
What's sea anemone?
Yeah, lots of sea anemone. This one's a... Oh, look at that.
Sea anemone.
Yeah, sea anemone and
Seahorse.
yeah, starfish. All right, come over here. Look, it's like Dory. See it? Look at this one, like Dory. That's like Dory.
Yes, Dory.
Yes, Dory found her.
Little Dory and Big Dory.
Little Dory and Big Dory. Is that her mommy?
Yeah.
Dory's mommy. She found it. Yeah. Oh, jellyfish. Touch it. That's cool. More jellyfish? Come here. Touch it. Oh my goodness. You have to run and see the sharks. They're cool. Silly. Oh my goodness. That's a big fish. Let's see the sharks again. Oh, you're just so excited to see a little shark. What is that? Oh my goodness, it's a big eel. Look, there's 2, 3. 3 eels, 4 eels. Oh my goodness, so many eels. Here, let's see, they're gonna come. They're moray eels. Uh-huh. Big, 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 big eels. Touch it. And lump you up there. All right, guys, wait for it to come. It's gonna come soon. There's the sharks. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish again.
Okay. Yeah, how about we say bye-bye YouTube, because the video's getting pretty long. Say bye-bye YouTube.
Bye.
Say it, bye-bye YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.